ਦੱਸ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਯੁਰਵੈਦਿਕ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। Now break ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੀ ਸੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ which I want to really touch upon really quick because we have very little time left. Turmeric, also very good for acne. Like you said for your son, you have tried this out कि जो छोटे बच्चे हैं जिनको अगर पिंपल्स हैं, टीनेजर्स, यंग टीनेजर्स को, तो इस मेडिसिन से वो भी हेल्प हो सकता है।
Yes, absolutely. Turmeric, I grew up using turmeric creams when I was a kid for acne and pimples, and I'm so happy to introduce my own product for my son and my nieces and others that have had pimples and acne. It really helps. It just helps them
doing that. Okay.
And also seasonal allergies, if you're suffering from that, I would suggest you take this instead of Claritins, and I mean I shouldn't say that, but the more natural the better
it is, the better
the better.
Okay, now also how does योगा आपकी कंपनी में कैसे इनकॉर्पोरेट होता है? क्योंकि मैं देख रही हूँ कि आपने यहाँ पे with herbal products and everything आपने DVD भी लॉन्च की है योगा के बारे में, तो how does this play in with all the stuff that we have? And my question is basically, how does yoga play in with all the herbal remedies that we have? How does this work with it?
Well, Herbal Destination, the reason why we came up with the name is because it's more about the lifestyle, health and well-being. It's not just about taking supplements or just doing yoga or just a diet. They all have to incorporate together.
A holistic approach.
Holistic approach, yes. And the logo in there, it represents the golden girl, which the ancient system of Ayurveda has been around for 5,000 years. 1,000 years later, it flourished into the golden age. Thus, that's why we came up with the golden girl, to represent her as our turmeric flagship product, which is the golden spice.
Oh, so that is very interesting, actually. If you can take a look at this, this is the golden girl.
Cheryl Alexak, by the way, she's a big hot yoga teacher on Long Island, New York.
Okay.
She helped us with the video.
And also one more thing is this yoga DVD, if anybody is willing to pay like shipping and handling of $4.95,
that's it.
we would pretty much send this out to people for free.
Okay.
Or if people are ordering products, any of the products, and if they check a box, they want this for free.
Okay.
Along with the shipment, we will give this
You
for
will
free.
give this for free.
Yes.
Now, how can somebody order the products? Where can we go to order your
You
products?
could either call us or visit our website at www.herbaldestination.com.
Okay.
It's very easy to order. You can read about every product of ours. We have clinical studies, testimonials from people who have used them.
Okay.
And if you happen to like them, it's easy to order. You can just use your credit card, and then we will ship it out right away.
And you ship it anywhere?
Anywhere.
In the world?
Canada.
No, US and
within
Canada.
US and Canada.
Yes,
Okay.
for now.
Okay.
And also, I just wanted to add, if anybody has any questions, there's always customer service available to answer any questions that you may have
That
about
you
the
have
products.
for this.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we also have the telephone number, a toll-free number, 877-903-3777. You can call Monday through Friday between 9 and 5:30 p.m.
Great. We will also have all of this information available on our fan page for GS with GS, but we'll also have this on Just Punjabi as well. We'll have it out there. So anyone who's looking, je tusi ye sara kuch order karna chahte ho, you can definitely go ahead and do that on their website at herbaldestination.com. And with that, I want to thank you all so much for being here and sharing this information with our viewers. We really appreciate it. And if you do want to order the products, we have the special going on. It's 2011 is the promo code that you can use. GS 2011, and you can definitely go ahead and order stuff from them. So you can get your 30% discount as well. Shekhar, you wanted to add something to it?
Just basically, I just want to add, end of the day, I got to make a disclaimer. Anything that we said in the show is basically should not be construed as medical advice by Herbal Destination. We are basically suggesting a style of, an alternate lifestyle and how people can feel better using Ayurvedic products, but you should not ever construe any of this as medical advice. Only your medical doctor can advise you on health matters. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shekhar, Julie, Bharti, for being here. It was a pleasure to have you as our guest today.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you as well. And I want to thank you all for watching our show. do stay tuned in. We have great, exciting events coming up throughout the day for you. We've got some exciting shows, exciting lineup for you. And जिस तरह आप सारे नु पता है, Just Punjabi is on a free preview right now till May 4th. Don't forget to purchase us and subscribe us after that. You don't want to miss all the fun and exciting things that are happening here. Us Din Ali, this weekend, Saturday, is the big day for the Vaisakhi parade from 12 to 4 p.m. We will be covering it live right here on Just Punjabi. You don't want to miss that out also. So do tune in this Saturday. And agar tusi parade te ho, stop by, find us in the crowd if you can, and say hello to us. Don't forget also to like us on Facebook and on Twitter, Just Punjabi, and you can like us, GS with GS, on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter on GS with GS as well. With that, I thank you all for watching our show. अगले हफ्ते मैं तानु इत्थे ही 1 बजे फिर मिलांगी. मैनू इजाजत दो. सत श्री अकाल.